Hi wonderful people, so today I am going to be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing video for you guys. I have it right here. I'm really excited about this item because it's a bag that I've been wanting for the longest time, and I finally have it in my collection and I'm really happy about it. So if you're interested, definitely keep on watching this video. Hi, my name's Derek. I do all things luxury related here on this channel. So if you like that kind of content, definitely please subscribe to this channel or press the notification button or press the like button. And if you are a person who is already subscribed, welcome back. So let's get right into this unboxing from Louis Vuitton, and I'm so excited about this. So again, it is a bag that I've been wanting for a really long time, and I'm just excited. I finally have it and I get to add it to my bag collection. So yeah, I'm just gonna take off the ribbon and oh my god, I'm so excited about this. Okay, I'm so excited about this. This is like a fancy kind of dust bag too, because it's the more thicker one and it has like the felt kind of material or like suede material. But anyways, that's not the point. But
ladies and gentlemen, her.
the bag that I have, it is right here and I'm so excited. It is the Petite Boy Chapeau with the hard-sided case. So it's like made out of wood and stuff like that. And this is just beautiful. I'm so excited to add it to my collection. I've been wanting this bag for a really long time now, probably like a few years, but I feel like each time that I keep debating about it and I'm like, do I want it or should I not add it? And like, it's like, I don't know. But then the prices just kept going up and up, and I decided to pull the trigger and I decided to get one, and I'm really excited to add it to my collection. It comes with this like luggage tag and then has like a strap handle, and it's like totally a different kind of shape to all the other bags that I have in my bag collection, because all the other bags, like the most like funky kind of like shape that I have, it is this Bleecker box right here that I have. It's like totally like a square kind of bag. So this is like a fun little shape to have. This is also a fun shape that I don't have in my bag collection that I finally have. And again, I wanted it in 2019 and I could have bought it for like a really good price at the time, but then I just didn't pull the trigger, and then the price just kept going up and up and up. That kind of made me be like, ooh, okay, it's like not meant to be. And then I was like, whatever, let me just get it. And I have it in my collection now. So anyways, it is a round box. It has the monogram, and then it has the Vachetta leather all over, which is kind of like a treated kind of leather. So the leather is not like that white kind of color, it's more, or like that white beigey kind of color, it's more like patinaed, and I think they did it on purpose because for like the look and style of it. It has a S-lock right there, so pretty much an S-lock is when you can like push it in and you can open it. So doesn't really open that much, but then the straps also gets in the way of it, but that's totally fine with me. And then on the inside, it's like this beige leather, but it has like this crisscross pattern like Petite Mole has. And then on the opposite side, it has a pocket, and I have like, what's in here? I think it is this SKU, and then it's like a little card, and then it has like the SKU in it as well. So yeah, and then it also comes with a little strap, so you guys can totally, so then you can put it on, and then it looks like this, and then But I feel like I'm not going to use the strap as much. I'm probably going to be using the top handle and holding it like this majority of the time, or like even like through my wrist and just kind of like walking it and stuff like that. So I'm so excited about this. I think it's really, really cute. Again, it is a bag shape that I don't have in my bag collection, and I think like the circular kind of shape is kind of fun to have. And I also, the first time that I've ever saw this bag was actually from Pia Mia. If you don't know her, I talked about her like a couple times on this channel, kind of have pictures or whatever. I kept seeing her carrying it and like holding it, and then I was like, oh my god, this is like such a look. And then I totally wanted to have it, and I finally have it in my collection. It was inspired by the hat boxes that they used to like have. Well, they still do have it, but you don't really see it in stores anymore, but it's probably like a special order or something like that. It was, again, inspired by a hat box, and then they kind of just shrunk it down to a bag, and I'm so excited to, again, have it in my collection. I'm really, really excited to add it with my Petite Mall that I have right here and right here, because these are like two kind of like limited edition kinds. This is not a limited edition piece. You can still find this in the store. Yeah, it's just that it's made out of wood. And then this one is also made out of wood as well. So I'm really, really excited to add these, or add this to my collection, because again, it's just I think it's a special piece. It's kind of like a trunk kind of piece if you think about it, because it is made out of like the same materials as they make a trunk. So I just really wanted to do a quick little part of this video where I show you guys what actually fits in here, because it actually, for like a round bag and not a lot of space, it actually fits a few things, and I'm kind of quite surprised because it actually fits everything that I kind of need in here. So this is all the stuff. I took off the strap, which the strap you can take off. It opens this much, so you don't have a whole lot of spacing to like kind of go in and out of it. So I have my key pouch right here from Louis Vuitton. It holds all my cards or whatever. And then I have my Victorine wallet, my Empreinte Victorine wallet from Louis Vuitton. And then it also has my Louis Vuitton earbuds, and then I also just put like some AirPods in here just to see what can fit in there. And then I have keys. You can also put a key holder in here as well, which I don't have with me at the moment, but normally I do have a key holder and it fits in here as well. So I just wanted to show you guys what can actually fit in here, just because you guys are probably going to wonder what can fit in here. Those are all the things that I can fit in this bag. I know it's not a lot, but it's like literally all the things that I need to carry, so I don't carry that much. It's nice to know that I can put those stuff in, because I wasn't expecting to put a Victorine wallet like this in here. Hopefully you guys learned something new by watching this video. Please have a wonderful day, because you're wonderful, and don't forget it. Alright, bye guys.